Hey folks, what is up everybody? How's it going? YouTube, Sparky Marky Mark here, and I'm back to doing an enveloping from the folks over at CPA Authentics. And of course I don't have a sticker, but it has the words "Do not bend" written in it. So yeah, enough chit chat. Let's see what's inside. What did I get from CPA Authentics? And let's check it out in the man cave. Like right now, let's go. Alrighty, folks. So, what did I get from CPA Authentics? And it's a pre-order item that I got recently. And I met that I saw a person at a convention, but I didn't get a chance to take a photo with. And it's Heather Langenkamp, Nancy Thompson from A Nightmare on Elm Street 1. This is from the first movie. Then she appeared in the third installment, Nightmare on Elm Street 3, Dream Warriors, went on to appear in other projects, and appears as herself / Nancy in Wes Craven's New Nightmare, and did other projects, especially as the landlord in Hellraiser Judgment that was released in 2018. So yeah, I finally got a Heather Langenkamp autograph. Nancy, folks. Here she is, right in front of you. Awesome, right? Now I know what you're gonna say. This is an autograph. This has got to be awesomeness written everywhere. So yeah, and let's not forget one thing. It's Beckett authenticated. That's right, Beckett witnessed. So yeah, folks. And tell me something. What is your favorite Nightmare on Elm Street? Which is your favorite installment, or what the least, or you like them all? Me, I like it because it's like a long story. I wouldn't go for the ranking. I go for the story where it takes me. That's what I like about the Nightmare on Elm Street franchise. I'm kind of bummed out that Scream Factory didn't get the rights to Nightmare on Elm Street. Only the Friday the 13th franchises. They need to release the Nightmare on Elm Street movies in their own cases, and a good box set with their own cases. And they did, but it's all region, but it depends if it's exclusive to a certain place. But who knows? But I do dig it, and it's awesome. So yeah, let's give a shout out to CPA Authentics, and let's give a shout out to Heather Langenkamp. Shouts to you both. If you like content like this or any other content, please click the bell on the subscribe button to be notified of all new uploads. Comment down below. Appreciate the thumbs up. Always do. Always appreciate, and always comments as well down below. And the link is always in the description box down below, to CPA or any other place. And as well as any other place, actually. Even if I do pre-orders before announcing them, or they're just there ahead, go check it out. And what time? And also, I post what time I post the videos, like what certain time, rather be in the afternoon hours, the evening hours, not the morning hours. Maybe I'm not so sure. Sometimes around afternoon or prior to sunset. So, y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you, hear you, and see you on the next vid. Later, y'all. And enjoy Monday.